Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the brand new BirdCam from the company Wingscapes. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So I am really excited about this product. I'm going to try and give you a view of the packaging before I get it open. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that okay. Wingscapes is a company, sub-company of Moultrie feeders. And I've used their deer feeders over the years, but this branch basically focuses on birding related products. And I bought one of their bird feeders a little over a year ago, and it has been the best bird feeder that I have used. So when they came out with this camera, I wanted to try it, and I'm going to be trying it, using it on the bird feeder as well. Now, it can work with any bird feeder. You might be sitting there wondering, now, why would I need this camera? For one thing, it's tiny compared to your regular trail cameras. The other thing that makes this unique is, unlike a trail camera, it's designed for a shorter focus area. So you can put it on bird feeders, bird baths, stuff like that, where it's a little bit closer range versus a trail camera that you're looking at things in a field, for example, or further away. So let me go ahead and see if I can get this open. Let's see, looks like I need to cut this part too. Okay, so I finally got it open. When you open the package, it's definitely easier to open the bottom and simply slide it out of the bottom. At least if you're not wanting to tear the package open and just rip it to pieces. I'll give you a look at the instruction manual that it comes with. Again, you're probably not going to be able to see this too well, but when we get it out, I will show you how to use it. Runs on 4 AA batteries. And again, it is tiny. Look at this. Look how it fits in my hand. It's about half the size of your trail cameras these days, which they're pretty small as well. I'll try and give you a view of your focus area. Basically, you have this little focus wheel. They used to make a camera like this. They discontinued it. They have a time-lapse camera that's still out, and then they basically brought this one back. But this is going to be how you adjust your focus range. You're going to adjust this according to, your bird feeder. How far is your bird feeder? How far is your bird bath from the camera itself? Takes a full SD card, which is another benefit for me. I like using the full SD cards versus the micro SD cards, which are a little bit harder to hang on to. Does have a threaded mount at the bottom. Looks like it takes a solar panel. I might even try and hook up a solar panel to it as well. And then this would be your USB connection if you're wanting to do firmware updates or try and retrieve the images to your computer. So that's a quick look at the camera. Let me show you what else they give you. Here's basically a mounting strap. If you don't want to use a threaded mount at the bottom, you want to run the strap through the back of the camera. This would be what they give you for that. And then they also give you a little tape measure that you can use to basically figure out what you need to set your focus on. So enough talking about it. That's a quick unboxing. Let's get it put out. Let's see what kind of video quality and picture quality we get.